Getting your hands on a COVID-19 test was a lot easier for roughly 2,500 Hoosiers earlier today. The Indianapolis Urban League held its first COVID distribution in conjunction with its weekly food distribution, saying it's improving COVID testing access for people who would otherwise just go without it. News 8's multicultural reporter Katira Winfrey has the story for us.
Urban League representatives say the turnout for the COVID-19 test distribution was overwhelming. They say they haven't seen this many cars show up here for the food distribution services since they first started at the beginning of the pandemic. The trail of cars sitting bumper to bumper at the Indianapolis Urban League is a clear sign the pandemic is not over.
I think it's very helpful that we get the COVID test because we don't have to go out too much. I have a boyfriend that I take care of. I'm his caregiver, and it's kind of hard to go out places very often.
There were 2,500 COVID tests to give. With Omicron variant cases rising and low vaccination rates, it's still not quite enough.
Per car. I'm sorry.
But it's a start.
It's good to have in the community. For the food drive and the COVID test, we all need it.
For 84 weeks, almost as long as we've been living in a pandemic, Urban League CEO Tony Mason says they've been on a mission to help. 100,000 Hoosiers filed through this lot to utilize the food distribution services over the last 2 years, half of them children.
Just to let you know, families are still struggling in Indianapolis and in central Indiana.
COVID-19 test distribution is the next logical step.
We know that with the shortage of tests across the community, that it has created challenges, and it's created a challenge at a time when we've seen positivity rates skyrocket.
Making services accessible has fueled this work. Stationed in the center of this community along Indiana Avenue, many are able to drive, but many others walk here.
I think this is super awesome. The fact that they're able to have all these COVID tests and food available for people who need it, it's just a really good opportunity.
Reporting in Indianapolis, Katira Winfrey, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.